Hi! In front of me is REALME 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select Password and Security, click on Face over here and enter your current login method. After that, choose Continue and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you need to select Done over here. You can also click on the switcher next to Raise to Wake feature to enable or disable it. After that, select Done. Adjust all of those Face Unlock settings however you wish to by tapping on the proper switchers and select Home button. Now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!